Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I am Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and today we will be talking about allocating manufacturing overhead to jobs with the first method called Plantwide overhead rates. So the process of allocating manufacturing overhead to a job. So we're talking about job costing, not process costing. And allocating means splitting up, dividing total manufacturing overhead costs among the jobs produced during the year. For instance, depreciation, utilities, property tax, factory equipment maintenance, and salaries of janitors, supervisors, etc. We have some steps here. The step one, estimate the total manufacturing overhead cost for the coming year. Step two, select an allocation base and estimate the total amount that will be used during the year. And this allocation base, we call we call it cost driver. Finally, the last two steps. Step number three, calculate predetermined manufacturing overhead rate using the info estimated in steps 1 and 2 as follows. Predetermined manufacturing overhead rate, total cost divided by total amount of the allocation base. And then step 4, allocate some manufacturing overhead to each individual job as follows on this formula. Manufacturing overhead allocated predetermined manufacturing overhead rate from step 3 times the actual amount of allocation base used by the job. Let's check this in our Excel file. Remember, all of our Excel files in Accounting Hub, they are available for you. The link for this Excel file, it is on the video description and free. So let's consider a company who has manufacturing overhead cost of $2.7 million dollars in the period, month, week, semester, year, whatever. And our allocation base is direct labor. So our cost driver is direct labor. So our total of direct labor hours is 150,000. So our step 3 here, manufacturing overhead divided by number of hours. So 2.7 million divided by 150,000. So our manufacturing overhead cost per hour is $18. Let's consider here we have two jobs. Job number one and job number two. I am not so creative here. Job number one requires 19 hours to be finished. Job number two requires 22 hours. So our manufacturing overhead cost allocated to job one is $18 per hour times 19 hours. For job number two, the same formula. $18 times 22 hours. So job number one, the manufacturing overhead cost allocated to job number one is $342. The manufacturing overhead cost allocated to job number two is $396. Quite easy. We don't have a lot of math here. So, guys, thank you so much. If you have any comments, questions, just comment in our video or email me at jscarping@gmail.com and subscribe our channel and like the video. Have a very nice day.